Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm a dealer and educator for the APQS Long Arms for Lifelong Learning Center. Take a look at this sweet design. I call it Daisy Brambles. It's really fun and flowy. It looks beautiful, especially on a kiddo quilt. This one starts out with a curl, and you're going to go all the way in, almost until you make a circle, and stop just before you complete that circle. Then we're going to put some daisy petals on it, and I want you to stop after the third one. So 1, 2, 3. On the third one, you're going to arc out over the top again, almost to a full circle, and then back down, and then complete that daisy. And then we're going to branch off, and we're going to do another one. So we're going to do a round, almost to a full circle, and then you're going to come back with your daisy petals. So 1, 2, 3. On the third one, you're going to come back, and you're going to arc over and make that final petal. Now we're going to head back in a different direction. Almost a full circle. 1, 2, 3, arc out, almost a full circle, head back and finish your daisy. And come back in and put in another full circle. 1, 2, 3, arc out, almost a full circle, and come back to another daisy. Now notice I'm kind of boxing myself in here, right? Don't panic. I can just cross over the stem of my daisy and get going in a different direction. So I'm at the stem, and here I go. I'm going to branch out, another full circle. 1, 2, 3. Full circle, head back down, finalize my daisy. And then I want to come back out and move towards the top of this block. So this is kind of an open design. So I'm going to just head around. And again, full circle. 1, 2, 3, arc out, full circle, come back, finish my daisy, and head in a different direction. This one's fun. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, visit apqs.com and be sure to like us on our Facebook page. We'd love to have you join the conversation, and we'd like to see what you're working on.